Well, guys, handyman, how many times have you found your project downstairs and your saw upstairs, or vice versa? You're running back and forth. Your project takes so much longer because you don't have your equipment nearby. Well, the Black and Decker Workmate 425 is one of your solutions. So basically, you take it to where your project is, hit the levers, lock it into place. You have a bench that carries 550 pounds. You can clamp the work, whatever you want to do. You can mount a saw on it, whatever you want to do. And it'll save you a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of frustration. So if you like this, put a like and a subscribe on my channel. And I've got a full review on this on my full channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Hey, how you doing today? Today we're going to unbox and set up the Black and Decker Workmate 425. Just bought it, and I'm not sponsored in any way. So while we're putting this together, I'll tell you a few things about it. It can take up to 550 pounds, so that's a good amount of weight. It's portable or portable-ish. You can move it to your project rather than have it walking back and forth with your saw and all this other stuff. It has a maximum work height of 31 inches. You can drop that down by 6 inches if you fold up the legs. It's looks like it's well made, and if it could take 550 pounds, it probably is. The instruction set looks like it's fairly simple, and it was and is. They do include a tool to tighten up the bolts. Now remember, those bolts are going into nylon. You don't want to be torquing them on them too hard, or you could strip the threads on the nylon, and it might be, well, just save yourself some grief. Don't torque on them too hard. You don't need them that tight anyhow. Just tight, give them a little tweak, and that's about it. So don't break the nylon or anything like that. Yeah, so like I said, we're almost finished there. We've got the second board on there. You can put 3 boards on there. It gives you a nice wide work surface, and you can clamp up a 22.5 inch material, and you can do vertical clamping as well. Right, so this is the surface, and here you have a protractor on the surface. You see the pegs in place, and on this back surface you've got metric. On the front surface you have imperial. Those are the cranking mechanisms. And the old ones, you used to crank one side and it would give you an uneven tightening. This one, you just crank one side and away you go, you're all done. And this, of course, is movable, so you can make it, you can move these so that the clamps are better. So you just put them like that. And away you go. You can remove that back one if you need to. So there's a step stool kind of thing on here, and that's also used for the vertical clamping. Your adjustable legs. And these are the claps. That's the handle, so you can collapse or expand the unit. So have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification button, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.